Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Delta Executor Anime Vanguard. Begin by organizing your deck into supporters, attackers, and finishers, and set clear mulligan rules. Walk through a practice hand focusing on sequence, guard allocation, and attack order, and mark critical trigger windows. Practice with a timer to build speed and consistency, and record a game to review misplays and timing mistakes for steady improvement. In this video, I will explain how to use Delta Executor Anime Vanguard. Focus on your primary combo sequence and the backup routes if pieces are removed. Memorize each step and the guard interactions opponents can use, and simulate common interruptions to build reaction plans. Keep a mental checklist for key attacks and triggers, and practice switching to alternative lines when an essential card is missing to maintain pressure and tempo. In this video, I will explain how to use Delta Executor Anime Vanguard. Learn optimal timing to commit resources and when to hold triggers for late turns. Observe opponent pacing and adjust aggression, saving critical pieces for clutch turns. Use small attacks to probe defenses and force errors, then capitalize with your main line once lanes open. Stay flexible and prioritize game-winning sequences over flashy plays to increase win rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.